Alright, what's up? Welcome to the first trading video. Today is Friday, December 4th. It's the end of the first trading week of December. In total, for this week, I've placed 2 trades. So without further ado, let's talk about them. Alright, so while I was scanning through all the currencies to trade, I came across a potential setup on GBP/USD. So the strategy that I normally use that has been working well for me so far is supply and demand. I'm not going to get into full detail about how to do this strategy in this video, but I'll probably make a video explaining how to do it later. But I will tell you the theory, or I guess psychology around this strategy. They say this strategy is what the big banks use. I don't know for sure because I've never been around somebody who has traded for a bank before, but it makes sense. The people with the most money in the market are the banks. Therefore, they're the only people who would have the power to move the market in a short amount of time, especially a market dealing with currencies. So if we take a look at GBP/USD, you can see in this area right here, price shot up and then afterwards it shot back down. This is the daily chart, by the way. The candle made new highs, then immediately rejected this area during the whole day. Over the next few days, you can see it shot down with all these red candles. That's a clear indication that there's a bank or financial institution with a lot of money creating a big resistance from this level. Now, if you look at the monthly chart, you can see that the this level right here is placed right here. So look what happens. Look what happened at the price once they all reach this level over the few months. So you can see right here it got rejected. It did a rally downwards. It went back up. It reached this area again and then rejected. So with my trade, what I did was with this candle it entered the zone, and then once it got into the zone, the next trading day I entered at the close of the previous day. So right at this area I entered, and then what happened the next day. Alright, so here's what happened the next day. I spotted this setup on this day, and then on the next trading day I did an entry right at the close of this candle. During this day it shot down and it was a few cents away from my take profit. Like literally like point something pips away from hitting my take profit. But I missed it, or it did like a little pullback and then it rallied back up. It didn't hit my my take profit, but it triggered my stop loss. So I lost $20.82 on that trade. So now my trading account now sits at $295.83. I had a little more money than $300 in my account before the loss, so that's why my account barely sits below 300. So now the markets are currently closed for the weekend. I am currently in a trade on Euro JPY, and at the moment I am in the red. So here was the setup for Euro JPY. By the way, I took that trade on GBP USD on December 1st. I believe that was, let me see, Wednesday. I think it was a Monday. So I did this trade, or I entered this trade on December. So yeah, I entered this trade on Euro JPY on December 3rd. So here is what happened. You can see this candle right here. It did a rally upwards, created new highs, and then went back down and closed below the open. So it's a red pin bar. This created a supply zone. If you look on the monthly chart, you can see where I created the supply zone at the top. Same ones right here. You can see it got rejected here on the monthly, went down, rallied back up, and it's testing it for the first time in this month. So with this one, I kind of entered too early. I should have waited for a clear confirmation on the daily chart for a reversal, but I got too excited and I entered too early. So that's why I'm in the red. But the good thing is, after this day, I would have entered right here because this day is gonna end in the pin bar, and pin bars are pretty good. It's a candlestick pattern for a reversal. So, I mean, I still would have entered close to where I actually entered. So I'm down negative $3.88. So we'll see how this plays out during the week. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.